The Sharma Law Firm is a leading legal practice in Wilmington, Delaware, specializing in truck accident cases. With their expert team of truck accident lawyers, they provide dedicated representation and comprehensive legal solutions to clients in need. The Sharma Law Firm is experienced in truck accident cases and works hard to get its clients the compensation and justice they deserve. Contact our truck accident lawyer today for consultations. Are you looking for a truck accident lawyer near me? You can stop looking. You found the Sharma Law Firm. Why are truck accidents so serious? Truck accidents are hazardous due to their size and weight difference from other vehicles. A loaded large rig may weigh 80,000 pounds. Average passenger cars weigh 4,000. Commercial trucks are higher and larger than other vehicles. Are trucks safer than cars in a crash? Trucks are bigger and heavier than automobiles, so if they collide with a smaller vehicle, the occupants might be seriously injured or killed. What is your service area for the Wilmington, Delaware office? Our local truck accident lawyer have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Wilmington, Claymont, Little Italy, Boothwyn, Wynnewood, Brandywine, Edgemoor, Bellefonte, Holyoke, Fairfax, Westover Hills, Elsmere, Hilltop, Baynard Village, Quaker Hill, 40 Acres, Wawaset Park, Northwest Wilmington, Scarborough Park, Pennyhill, Terrace, Delaware. Where is your Wilmington, Delaware truck accident lawyer office located? We are located at 1007 North Orange Street, 4th floor, Wilmington, Delaware 19801. Our phone number is 302-781-3077. Visit our website, https://amansharmalaw.com/Wilmington-personal-injury-lawyer.